Hey everyone, I just released a couple of exciting new features in this template. Payment integration and management using Stripe, a simple notification banner system. Best part, both features are fully tenant aware. Let's start with the payment integration feature. For the host can now sell product and features to their tenants, either as a subscription or one-time purchase. The system also tracks plans, invoices, checkouts, and products. Everything is built in. On top of that, the host can even enable Stripe per tenant directly through the feature management system. Let me show you the host. Uh, you must log in as a host. As you can see at the top right corner, it's host access, and click the billing under the AI chat button, and this will show the billing overview. It's basically available plans that I configured in my Stripe. From this screen, you can enable trial, disable trial, or any plans that you have. So I have total active 3 plans, and all these 3 plans are subscription models. So if you click at the invoice, this section will show all the invoice histories, paid, open, and total amount. So currently I don't have any invoices. That's why it just shows no invoices found, and also it's a test account, which is a sandbox mode from Stripe. And under the product section, you will have a list of product. You can also create your own product by clicking the create product button. Say demo product. This is a demo product. You can also mark it at the active state, or also you can enter the tax code and then click create. There you go. You have your demo product available. And again, you can go back to the overview. You can also add a new plan for the product that you created. That's demo product, currency 100. Sorry, 50 month. The currency will be euro. It needs to be per year. So let's say 500 per year. Yeah. Click submit. You created a new plan, and you can also mark this plan as a try. That's it. And your product is here, and you cannot delete your product. Of course, it's a part of your plan, so you need to first delete the plan in your Stripe portal, and then you can delete the product. I just want to keep it very minimalistic, what is essential for the host or the tenant. And then click checkouts. You will also see the list of checkout records, which contains total records, how many succeeded and pending, failed, etc. So that's about the host. Now I will show you what a tenant can do. For the tenants, can connect their own Stripe account by simply adding their API keys from the Stripe dashboard. Once connected, they can manage their own invoice, pay plans, checkouts, products independently from the host. So for that, let me go back to the tenants view. This is the tenant view. By default, you can find this payment under settings and payment. So if you see, the payment features is not enabled for Sajan'sTech tenant. That's because I disabled it. As I mentioned, you can enable this feature by going through the tenants list and then select manage feature, and then this dialog you will see Stripe. It's disabled currently, so you can enable it and then close it. Go back to the tenant, refresh. You will see the Stripe configuration. You, as a tenant, you must provide your secret API key and the webhook if you have, and you can enter the currency, trial period, and the payment mode, and then click configure save. Uh, that's all. Your Stripe configuration is successful, and then you can go back to billing, invoice, products, etc. Currently, it's not configured for the my tenant. That's why you see this notification. So you must complete this section before you access the building informations. How you have to get the keys, everything is linked here. You can click and go read the Stripey documentation. You can easily find it, your API keys, webhooks, etc. Those who have used Stripey before, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's a very nice platform. That's all about the Stripey. Now let's talk about the notification banner. So notification banner feature can work for the host, also for the tenant. So in the host, they can post maintenance messages or general announcement. You can go under the settings, notifications section, and then you can easily enable a notification and provide some information here, and then click update banner. That's what it happens here. You can see it's enabled currently for all the tenants login. They will see this, and for the tenant, you can see basically you can see, go to settings and notification and click enable notification, and then click update banner. This information will be seen only for the tenants users, those who logged in. So so yeah, the tenants have the same capability, and of course everything stays completely isolated per tenant. And also I'm going to release a bunch of fixes, and I'm also going to release Stripey webhook integration, which will make the feature even more powerful. And yeah, you get a real-time updates. And all the instruction how to configure Stripey, it's already there in my README file in the repo. So please keep an eye on the repo, or if you want to try this out by yourself, you can clone the repo and follow the instruction on the README file, and you can easily set it up and run and test it out yourself. And yeah, that's it for this update. If you would like to try this feature, as I said, check out the repo and follow the setup instructions. And also don't forget to leave a star on GitHub if you find this template useful. See you in the next video.